Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel where we empower your existence with focus on your health and vitality. So today, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you a unique and delicious dish from the beautiful continent of Africa. And the dish we'll be preparing today is Moimoi. So Moimoi is a traditional Nigerian dish made from ground beans, pepper, onions, and other spices of your choice. And you can use any plate of your choice to prepare your moimoi. Today, I'm going to use foil. So, in many parts of West Africa, moimoi is cooked everywhere and is often served during special occasions and festivals. So, the preparation of moimoi is a labor of love, as in the beans are pre-soaked for a couple of minutes and then peeled and blended. You have to blend the beans into a smooth paste. So the paste is then mixed with onions, pepper, crayfish, and other spices, which will give it that vibrant and rich flavor. So once that mixture is ready, it is poured into a foil or any plate of your choice and steamed for about an hour or more until it becomes a firm consistency. The result is a delicious and nutritious dish that can be enjoyed as a side dish or a main course. So apart from the delicious taste of moi moi, it's also packed with nutrients. Remember, we will always tell you the nutritional value of every food we are presenting to you. So moi moi is a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is also gluten-free and vegan, making it a perfect dish, a perfect option for those with dietary restrictions. So one of the most fascinating things about moi moi is the different variations you can find across Africa. All right. So in Ghana, it is known as kaklo and is often served with corn. While in Cameroon, it is called miando and it includes piece of fish or meat. Yes. So finally, before I go ahead to introduce the ingredients I'm going to use today, moi moi is not just a dish. It is a representation of the diversity and richness of African cuisine. So next time you have the opportunity, I urge you to try this delicious and nutritious delicacy and experience a taste of Africa. All right, so I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to use my onions. I've already washed and cut them. I'm going to use my Titus. You can use a fresh one, but I love this because it has oil inside of it. So this is my foil. I'm going to use foil as the plate. This is my bell pepper, already washed, is ready. This is my salt. This is my crayfish. This is my habanero pepper. And I'm going to use this healthy oil, olive oil, for this dish. And this is my fresh egg. I'm going to boil it. And this is the beans. The beans I'm going to use. So I've already soaked it. I'm going to let it soak for some minutes and some hours. Then we'll start preparing the dish. Remember, health is wealth. All right, so tune in to our upcoming video to witness how we create and blend these ingredients to make the mouth-watering delight of moi moi that you like. You won't want to skip this. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, we deliver health tips every week. Bye.